Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. In this video, we will see about the CSS overflow property. Okay, so in the previous video, we have covered the CSS link properties. And if you haven't gone through those videos, you can go through the CSS tutorial from the Cloud Institution channel. Okay, so now in this video, we'll see what about the overflow and what is the purpose of this. So in the CSS overflow, like if you are using the overflow property, so we can control the the whatever the content is there. For example, I have added the too big content in that. So like I want to fit into the one of that area, so I can just use the overflow property. Okay, so let's see how to add this CSS property using the overflow. Okay, so now let me go with some kind of practical session itself to make you understand. Now, let me add it as like overflow.html itself. So, shift plus one, enter, and let me add here p tag. Okay, so in the p tag, I'll add hello. This is the cloud institution, and cloud institution is best institution for Java full stack and cloud computing course, computing training in Bangalore. Okay. So what I'm trying to add is here. So let me copy this one because it is not too much big, right? So I'm trying to go with another line for this. Okay. Okay. So I have added the p tag. So if you see this one, it might be like big property, right? Okay. So yeah, let me show you. So this is the one thing. So let me add it in a one of the, let me add property for this. Okay, style. Okay, so in this p tag, I'll try to add the border for this. Okay, if you have added the border and how can, if it is like not visible at the time, what we have to do. Okay, so let me show you border 1 pixel. Okay, and solid black. Sorry, solid black. So now we can see it is there. So the remaining whatever it is there. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so I have a, let me make it as a break so then we will understand more better way. Okay, so this is how it will be. For example, now that should be, it is visible now, right? So now let me show you overflow. There are some values are there, hidden, scroll, visible. Okay, so if I make it as a hidden, okay, so what happens? Okay, so whatever the things are there, so as of now, it is visible. Okay, right. So, but the thing is like when you add the height and width over here. Okay, so let me show you. So width 30 or 100 pixel and height. Okay, so let me use 45 pixel. If I use like this, so what happens? Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so you can see that. So it is not visible. For example, now I want to be visible. It should be visible. All the things are, whatever the content are there, it should be visible. Means I'll use the visible content, visible value. So you can see all the content will be visible. So when I use the overflow property visible. For example, if I use this scroll, okay, there is a scroll also is there, right? So if I use this scroll, right? So if I use this scroll, so what happens? It will give the what scrollable things. Okay, you can see that you can use these scroll things. Okay, so this is how I can add it. For example, if it is becoming less means I can just use a 200 pixels so to understand. Okay, so you can see, so I can make it as a scroll. Okay, so when I use this here, both the side it is coming, right? Both the side, horizontally also and vertically, the scroll button is coming. What if I use the auto? Auto if I use, so it will come only for a vertical only. Okay, it will not come for the what? Horizontal. You can see that it is coming for like only vertical only. So I hope this video is useful for you to understand the what is the overflow and where we can use the overflow, when we can use the overflow. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit on the like button and share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you for